We'll guide you through how to use CapCut video templates to create stunning videos effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the CapCut website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see a variety of options on the homepage. Look for the Templates tab at the left side of the page and click on it. This will take you to a library of video templates that you can use. Browse through the templates and find one that fits the style of video you want to create. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to open the template editor. Here, you can customize the template with your own photos and videos. To do this, click on the Replace Media button and upload your media files from your computer. You can also edit text by clicking on the text boxes and typing your own content. Adjust the timing of your clips by dragging and dropping them on the timeline at the bottom. If you want to add music, click on the Music tab and choose a track from CapCut's music library or upload your own. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click on the Export button in the upper right corner to save your video. Choose the desired resolution and format, then click Export again to finalize your video. CapCut will process your video, and once it's done, you can download it to your computer. And there you have it, a professional-looking video made with CapCut templates. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.